Hi everybody, I'm Crystal Hall, and I'm going to take a video of our utility closet so that you can see. It's a shame that you couldn't come in person. It would have been a lot easier, especially when the tech was here so that he could show you, but we'll do that now. And unfortunately, we have to go home today. We have to have our car towed because we were hit by a drunk driver. So we have to get our car back to Charlotte so we can get that sorted out. Okay, so this is our utility closet. And this is the hot water heater that needs to come out. It is from 1987. This is the HVAC, which is working fine. And unfortunately, hopefully you can see that there's no way to get that water heater out without taking out the HVAC. According to Quality Air, removing the HVAC compromises the unit, and so it's not just a question of taking it out and then putting it back in. Once we got a new water heater, and that is an extra expense that is being incurred because this utility closet is not to code. So we'll go into the specifics here. So this is my partner, John. John, can you tell us your background?
Yeah, hi, I'm John. I have a master's degree in engineering and 35 plus years of home repair and improvement experience.
Yes, you do.
I'll walk you through the issues we're facing here. So the first thing you'll notice is this big black pipe here. This is pressurized natural gas in here up to this valve, which is shut off by the gas company in order to replace the water heater. So this is black iron. It goes up and feeds through the plenum that way. Again, pressurized with gas. It's pretty much not movable. This is fixed. It's a fixed situation. You can't move that. So the water heater itself, as you can see, it's 18.5 inches diameter. And from the gas line to the HVAC is 13.5 inches. From the HVAC to the wall is 15.25 inches. So this guy cannot come out through this space without having to remove this. You can see we'd have to disconnect this. Have to disconnect the supply lines from the outside, the drain lines here. All the electrical has to be disconnected. The interface to the venting system has to be disconnected. This vent to the crawl space has to be disconnected. So that's what is involved with getting this guy out of here. If you look here, this is a wall to the back. So let's take a minute here to talk about the configuration here. So upstairs also has a tank water heater and aquatherm system. The tank water heater by itself, empty, weighs about 150 pounds. Full of water, adds another 420. HVAC system weighs about 250 pounds. With all of the supporting infrastructure, you're looking at close to 1,000 pounds of load on this small space. Not to mention that this whole wall is a load-bearing wall. This is bearing the load from the entire upstairs. Again, so this is a normal wall. Stud to stud distance between is 16 inches on center, which leaves you about a 15.5 inch gap between studs. Water heater is 18.5 inches. It's not going to fit through there. Studs will have to be cut, and that will compromise the integrity of a load-bearing wall. Not to mention it's also carrying 1,000 pounds of equipment weight from upstairs. So that's a significant undertaking. This wall also has live plumbing in it and live electrical on the other side. So that's a pretty significant undertaking to reconfigure that to put an access hatch or panel or door into this wall. The big thing there is the load-bearing capacity of it. You're going to significantly compromise the integrity of the load-bearing capacity by cutting a stud to get the water heater out to maintain code. So.
Okay, so that's the situation. Hopefully you can understand. Thank you.